you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like. So this is Ozzy from Emmo. And if anybody knows me and they say, okay, you know, I'm an emo. I've been with Emmo since 2017. And I always comment on how the relationship is between me and Emmo. Sometimes I'm a bit bratty, you guys know that. It's true. That's because, you know, I like to do things for my customers but they're always super supportive. And this is a big example of the fact that Ozzy's come into the store. We're talking about the new Califin. We're looking at bikes and he's taking the time, and it's super busy right now, but he's taking the time to come and see me and support, to ride the wind in our growing and continuous relationship. So thank you. I was so excited, right, when you came in?
Sure. Hey everyone, my name is Ozzy from Emmo. We are so happy to work with Julian, work with entire relevant team, and our commitment in Emmo is to provide sustainable efficiency and quality e-bikes.
Yeah,
so absolutely. If you are looking for an e-bike, Emmo is your best choice.
It is. It's true. It's true. More videos like that to follow, because I've always been a fan of Emmo, and I will always continue, and you'll see there'll be some changes coming in the future.